This is our initial orientation and expo. So expect ninyo, pag share namin sa inyo lahat ng mga informations dito, you can actually use this information as you share the Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Kaya habang nakikinig ka ngayon, sabay, dapat natututo tayo at the same time, naglalatag, niisip mo rin paano mo siya ilalatag. Okay ba yun? So very important yung technicalities that nag-learn ka na rin para sa'yo na rin siya at the same time, kung paano mo na rin siya i-share. Okay ba yun? Alright, wonderful. So again, without further ado, ano ba talaga? Sino ba si Alpha East Franchise Corporation or AEFC? As you can see mga kaibigan, Alpha East Franchise Corporation as our newest division, like the same with other companies that we have, ang goal natin dito is to empower everyone. Can you please say empower? Empower! We have been doing that coming from Alliance and Motion Global to EC to OVI. Our goal of AEFC is to empower everyone to own their future by creating unparalleled franchise opportunities. So marami tayong ilalabas ng mga franchise concepts and franchise opportunities. At AEFC, we believe, number one, in inclusivity. Can you please say inclusivity? Ano ibig sabihin? Kasama lahat, included lahat. Alright? Everyone is welcome with Alpha East Franchise Corporation. We believe in innovation. We believe in sustained long-term growth. Ito, I want to emphasize on the long-term growth kasi marami ang mga nasa industriya ng direct selling, ang industriya ng multi-level marketing that is also in the franchise industry. But for us, ang goal natin dito is long-term growth. Ang goal natin is hindi to overuse the term franchise, but to make sure that we collaborate the traditional business on how to operate ng maayos ang isang franchise na talagang kumikita at nakatayo long-term, at the same time, ma-maximize at makombine ito sa industriya ng multi-level marketing. Okay ba yun? Yeah! Wonderful. So we're going for long-term growth. We offer highly potential franchise concepts, mga pinag-aralang mga konsepto ang ilalabas natin. Currently, we just have, pa-introduce na namin sa inyo yung first partner natin, yung ating first collaborations, pero naka-line up, ang dami na po, mga iba't ibang mga ideas and franchise concepts that are now lined up for us. Ito pa, of course, for all aspiring Filipino entrepreneurs. Again, our goal is to join and maximize the biggest thriving network of entrepreneurs in the Philippines, and that is none other than each and every one of you in Alliance in Motion Global. Para pang yung mga sarili nyo. So, panalo, no? So today, and unlock your door to financial independence. Again, the power to successful franchise is in your hands with Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Excited? Yeah! Wonderful. Now let's show this. Why AEFC or bakit ba Alpha East Franchise Corporation ang magandang maging partner, ang magandang pag-investan, ang magandang maging mag-handle sa'yo on having your franchising business. Number one, mga kaibigan, it is powered by an 18-year-old multinational company. Hindi po tayo just a startup. So again, AEFC, nagsisimula siya pero powered siya by an 18 years experience, 18 years running, not only in the Philippines, but a multinational company. So may infrastructure, may funds, may infrastructure that is ready. What else? Back up by seasoned and dynamic management team. Like what we always tell you, when you want to put up a business, you want to know the profile of the people behind the business. Importante rin mga tie-up ninyo, mga partners nyo, kilala natin yung profile. Kaya kapag nakipag-collaborate tayo, nakipag-partner, we check, matawag doon, due diligence in business. Kailangan kilala mo sino ba yung kausap mo. Kilala mo sino ba yung mga background ng mga taong to, ano bang pinanggalingan. So, the wonderful thing about it is, if you invest and franchise with AEFC, it's backed up with seasoned, experienced, mga dynamic management team from different parts of the industry. Ang maganda doon, full comprehensive training. Supported ka ng full comprehensive training and operational support. Talagang sisimulan mo na lang yung franchise business mo. Kasi nandun na yung proven operations, may trainings na ibibigay sa'yo, kompleto po lahat. Alright? What else? Eto ang paborito ko. With Alpha East Franchise Corporation, compared to any other companies that are offering franchise, we have an extensive network. Can you please say extensive network? Extensive network. Ang tawag namin dito, marketing powerhouse. Can you please say it louder? Marketing powerhouse in 3, 2, 1. Marketing powerhouse. Mga kaibigan, if you want to put up a business, you can actually hire a marketing company na tuturuan ka how to advertise your business, how to promote your business. Babayaran mo sila on a monthly or an annually or a contractual basis of payment para i-advertise yung negosyo mo, yung produkto mo. Now, the good thing about Alpha East Franchise Corporation, meron tayong 18-year-old network 3 million distributors in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And as you invest as a franchisee in Alpha East Franchise Corporation, you are maximizing this extensive network and marketing powerhouse. Kasi itong 3 million distributors na to will work both as your first line of consumers and users. At the same time, sila na rin magpo-promote, mag-aggregate, magbebenta, magpapamalaki, magpapasikat ng produkto or ng franchise mo. Pwede o pwede? So can you imagine, wala kang makikitang marketing company na ganyan. Okay, dito lang po yan sa Alpha East Franchise Corporation. So let's maximize the assets that we have right now. And what else? Lucrative investment and highly profitable. Pinag-aralan, talagang may ROI, may mga case studies tayo na kumita in a span of 3-6 months to 8 months to 9 months. And yun yung goal natin na mangyari sa lahat ng mga franchisees na papasok with Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Alright? Pwede o pwede? Tingnan natin, mga kaibigan. So, para maintindihan mabuti, with Alpha East Franchise Corporation, meron tayong dalawang segment. Ilan daw po? Sanay kayo sa dalawa. Alam niyo naman, parang left and right lang yan, di ba? So, in Alpha East, ganun din. Meron dalawa. On the left and on the right. Ano yun? Yung unang segment natin is what we call the signature creation. O para, ano mo sabi nila, para daw mas mabilis mag-retain ng mga information, dapat maliban sa visuals, nakikita, maliban sa auditory, naririnig, dapat daw meron na nababanggit ninyo. Okay ba yun?
Yes.
So pakibanggit po, signature creations.
Signature creation.
Dapat pag binabanggit mo yun, medyo social na, dapat signature creations. Yan. Okay. So, ano ba tong signature creations na to? Mga kaibigan, sa madaling salita, mga sariling atin. So we will be coming up with franchise concepts that are really coming from Alpha East Franchise Corporation. These products, mga kaibigan, from the raw mat, from the supplies and everything, from the commissary, will be coming from Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Ang tawag natin, mga brand na sariling atin, mga signature creations. And of course, the second segment of Alpha East Franchise Corporation is what we call collaborative creation. O pakibanggit ulit para mag-retain in 3, 2, 1. Ayan, from the word itself, maraming negosyo, hindi lang po nag-survive pero nag-thrive during the hard times of the pandemic for the past 3 years because they collaborated. Tama ba? And that's what we're good at in Alliance in Motion Global. So what we want to do is in Alpha East Franchise Corporation, we will also collaborate with other existing companies, mga kaibigan, existing franchisors na nag-run na. May mga proven concepts, may mga existing stores na sila, may mga existing case studies na sila of franchises na nag-ROI. Kumagalaw na yung sistema. So i-adapt na lang natin. We will collaborate with them and partner with them para siguradong mas mabilis ang pag-improve ng negosyo ninyo sa Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we begin Alpha East Franchise Corporation, sinimulan po natin with our collaborative creations. And mga kaibigan, like what we introduced to you during on our Mall of Asia event, our first collaborative creation of Alpha East Franchise Corporation is with a wonderful, wonderful company named 39ers. Yan! Nakasan nyo na may palakpak ninyo! Okay. So 39ers is our first ever collaborative creation under Alpha East Franchise Corporation. So lahat tayo, ito ang ipopromote natin. Both Alpha East Franchise Corporation and 39ers. So may symbiotic relationship po ito. Kasi may mga kliyente kayo na pag nakatikim sa mga 39ers branches, makakaroon ng idea, parang ang sarap naman ito, ang galing nito, very affordable, I want to franchise. So yung iba doon magkakaroon ng interest. Yung iba naman, diretso sa Alpha East Franchise Corporation. I want to put up a business. I want to franchise. Turuan niyo ako with all full trainings and operationals. Anong mga produkto ang pwede kong i-franchise? Ipopromote natin, 39ers. So, vice versa, may symbiotic relationship ng dalawa. Are you following?
Yes.
So this is included not only a different company anymore, but this is in one full company. This is a collaboration, a partnership, a very strong one. Palakpakan natin mga kaibigan. We have our 39ers family here in our house. Palakpakan po natin. In the leadership of Miss Eileen. Ayan. So mga kaibigan, tingnan natin. The first collaborative creation is our 39ers. Ang question, ano ba itong negosyo natin sa 39ers? So if you're gonna be talking to a franchisee, maganda makita nila, ano ba itong industriya ang papasukin natin? Yes, I'm going to franchise, pero itong produktong ibebenta ko, itong negosyong sisimulan ko, gaano ba kalaki ito? So in 39ers, the products that they have milk tea, coffee, and snacks. Okay? Sino bang mahilig sa milk tea? Taas ang kamay. Ayan. Sinong mahilig sa snacks, nasa kamay. Alam nyo mga kaibigan, milk tea and coffee is almost the same. Sabi nga nila, coffee is coffee. Kahit mag-iba-iba ng brand yan, kahit kaliwat kanan, bawat kanto, may iba't ibang klase ng coffee, laging merong market, may segmented market, may bumibili, kumikita talaga siya. Are you following? Kahit napansin mo, iba't ibang brand, pare-parehas cappuccino. Iba't ibang brand, pare-parehas coffee latte. Pero laging may benta, laging may sales. Coffee is coffee. It's a huge industry. And let me tell you, milk tea is the same. Milk tea is milk tea. Kahit na sobrang daming milk tea sa kanto, sa buong barangay ninyo, milk tea is milk tea. There's really gonna be a market to buy it. Kasama na siya na talagang drinks ng mga Pilipino. Now let me show you how huge this industry is. In Southeast Asia, sa buong Southeast Asia, including other countries, milk tea industry is at 3.6 billion US dollar taon-taon. Ganun po kalaki. Now let's go and zoom in pa tayo. Pagpunta ng Pilipinas, 68 million US dollars po ang laki ng industriya ng milk tea industry. Ganon kalaki. If we convert this in peso, that's 3.6 billion pesos every year. So just imagine, sa laki ng AIM Global, sa laki ng Alpha East Franchise Corporation, with the product of 39ers milk tea, ito yung industriyang papasukin natin. Kahit 5 to 10% lang po. Yan ang matap. 20% of that ang matap. Siguradong maraming milyonaryo na naman ang gagawin sa Alpha East Franchise Corporation. Tama o tama? Okay? And of course, every year, tumataas po yan because there's an annual growth of 5.99%. So tumataas siya. May compounding annual growth rate of from 2024 to 2028 in average. Pinag-aralan po natin yan. That's not coming from us, but coming from our resources. No? So tumataas yung industriya ng milk tea. So hindi tayo mawawalan. Talagang napakagandang timing nito to start your milk tea business. Ha? Kaya huwag kayong makikinig ng basta-basta sa mga iba. Yan naman, milk tea na naman. Dapat nandun tayo sa numbers because numbers won't lie to you. Okay ba yun? Yes! Wonderful. So let's go on. So guys, ito na. Sa dami ng milk tea, anong edge natin sa 39ers? O yan, ito na. Sa dami ng milk tea, maliban sa talaga namang nasarapan si Sir Adrian habang sumisip ng Okinawa dyan. Okay? Ano ang edge natin with 39ers? Let me show you. Do you want to know our edge? Yes! Okay, ito yung mga tatanungin ng mga franchises nyo. Tama? First, number one, distinct and flavorful milk tea. Masarap ba? Masarap? Masarap na masarap. Alright, mamaya, malalaman. Sabi nga lang, hindi mo malalaman hanggang hindi mo natitikman. Kaya mamaya, titikman natin. Okay, ano ba? Variety of flavors and extensive selection. Pag sinabi extensive selection, ang daming choices of milk tea drinks. In fact, may iba't ibang segment. Meron tayong milk tea, meron tayong fruit juice, di ba? Meron tayong milkshake, meron tayong soda. Yung ininom ko po, yung lychee, di ba? Ito po, hindi po itong milk tea. Okay? This is a fruit tea. Ayan, may kita dyan, may milk tea, may fruit tea. So, mamili kayo. So, yung ininom niya, yung Okinawa, that is a milk tea. Ayan, ito si Okinawa, milk tea yan. Ito si lychee, fruit tea. Ito matindi. Magkaibang segment yung fruit tea at saka yung milk tea. Magkaiba na ng segment, ito pang matindi. Ang dami pang options, ha? Pag options ang pinag-uusapan, dapat alam mo masarap ang distinct ang flavor. Napagkita lang natin ang distinct and flavor. Ito yung pinakamasarap sa AIM Global. Palakpakan po natin ang VP for Training and Network Development, Mr. Arnel Lempin. Very distinct and flavorful. Saktong-sakto, ha? Okay. So, ayan dyan po. Welcome in our midst, no? So, okay. Distinct and flavorful kasi sir pinag-usapan. So, may kita mo, 39, ilang flavors? 39. Kaya nga 39ers. So, gano'ng matindi ang extensive selection. No? Sabi mo, kaya pala 39ers. Opo! Kaya 39ers, 39 flavors. And in our experience, in experience of a 39ers company with existing branches, meron na po mga more or less 300 existing branches in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Strategically located in different places. Etong matindi mga kaibigan, marami po dyan pumipila. Mga estudyante, baka may 39ers sa lugar nyo, makikita nyo, volume ng mga estudyante ang pumipila dyan. Ang maganda, pagpila po nila, susubok ng first flavor. Bukas, Tuesday, second flavor. Pang buong linggo, actually pang buong buwan kasi 39 flavors. Kulang pa ang araw ng buwan para matikman mo lahat. Ito matindi. Pagdating mo doon sa 16 flavor, sarap na sarap ka, masarap ang flavor na to. Pagdating mo ng 18, bago ka makarating sa pang 20th flavor, siguradong may paborito ka na doon sa mga natikman mo. So pagbalik mo, doon ka na sa paborito mo. Kaya sigurado ang repeat purchase, sigurado ang reorder, siguradong hindi mo mawawala ng customer ang mga franchisee natin sa 39ers. Pwede o pwede? Okay, yan ha? Nanginginig-ginig pa. Ibang level yan ha. Ano pa? Quality and desirability. Pakilakasan yung quality. Quality! Okay, paano nasabing quality? Makibigan, maraming milk tea sa labas. But you know, we're very surprised when me and Sir Adrian and the rest of the management team from AEFC visited the 39ers. Tinraining po nila kami kung paano ginagawa yung milk tea. You will be surprised. Marami pong milk tea sa labas with affordable price that we have. Yung iba, water-based lang. Yung iba, powder and water. Okay na yan! Basta mabenta yan! Tubig yan! Sa 39ers, hindi po pwede yun. Sa 39ers, talaga pong meron tayong tea barrel where you put up the tea bag. So, tea-based po ang ating pinaka-base ng milk tea. Kaya pag inom niya siya, it's not water-based, it's real tea-based. And yung formula, kung paano timplahin yung tea, yung formula niyan, lahat yan ituturo kapag ikaw nag-sign up na as a franchisee. Kasi may tamang formula yan para hindi masyadong pumait, para tamang-tama yung flavor, may tamang formula. Kaya nga maganda mag-franchise kasi proven concept. Hindi na ikaw yung magta-trial and error na subok-subok. Silang 39ers lang gumawa yan for us. Kaya nga collaborative creation. Palakpakan natin ang mga kaibigan. Alright? So, and of course, desirability. Dahil quality, syempre desirable. Desirable talaga. Maliban sa kasama natin si Sir Arnel, sila Sir Jun, mga desirable people. Itong produkto natin, desirable. Okay ba yun? Yeah. What else? Excellent value proposition. Bakit? Mass market appeal. Mas stretch ang market reach natin. Pamilyar kayo sa Jollibee, tama? Yes. Ang Jollibee, bakit bumutok? Bakit lumaki ng sobra-sobra? Ang una nilang tinarget, mga panglasa ng mga kabataan. Bata! Kasi pag na-capture mo ang market ng bata, kasama buong pamilya, hindi naman pwede pumunta yung bata mag-isa sa Jollibee. Siyempre kasama yung nanay niya, tsaka tatay niya. Kasama yung mga kapatid, siyempre, di ba? So dahil tinap nilang bata, kasama buong pamilya. Ganun din ang target market natin with the 39ers. If you're going to be a franchisee of 39ers, look for a place, look for a location na highly trafficked with young people. Mga estudyante, mga empleyado. Kasi pag ang tinap natin, bulsa ng estudyante, definitely affordable, kayang-kaya, stretch yung broader market reach natin up to other age level, kasama lahat. Palakpakan natin yan, kaibigan, alright? So, these are some of the many edge why we will be, be proud to promote the 39ers franchise. Okay ba yun? Ito ang edge ng produkto natin compared to any other milk tea business. Ito na, mga kaibigan. So, simulan natin. Are you ready? Ready na bang simulan ang EFC 39ers business? Yes! Parang iba hindi pa. Ready na ba? Yes! Sa third floor, ready na. Kaway natin yung mga taga third floor. Tsaka mga sa Zoom, ready na. Okay, there are two ways to start your AFC and 39ers business. First way, ang tawag natin, Express Station. Ano yung Express Station? Your quick milk tea stop. Ayan. Ito mga kaibigan, later during the procedurals, our VP Adrian will explain to you yung minimum requirement of the space, minimum requirement for Express Station. So ito yung tipong, pag may mabilisan lang, dadaan, i-pick up lang yung milk tea, bibili, bayaran, timpla lang, kasama yan. So sa Express Station, ang inclusion po ng mga produktong pwedeng ibenta are all the beverages. So yung mga beverages natin, yung fruit tea, yung milk tea, kasama po sa Express Station. So, Miko, ano ba yan? Paano ba yung Express Station? Magkano? Anong inclusions? Anong mga kasama dyan? So, let's show them. So, eto po, our Express Station, your quick milk tea stop. These are examples of the existing Express Stations all over the Philippines. So, maliit na space, pero definitely Instagrammable, maganda. And of course, eto po yan, may nagsaserve. So mamaya yung minimum sa explain sa inyo. Magkano, Miko? 99,900 plus the whole, initial inventory and equipment. Miko, pakitingnan anong kasama dyan sa 99,900 na yan. Eto po, meron po tayong Express Station initial inventory and equipment inclusions. So as you can see, andyan na lahat. Ready ka nang magbenta. Alright? Magbenta ng milk tea. May inventory ka na. Initial order of products. So nandiyan yung 1 tea barrel of up to 10 liters. Alright? That can actually serve more or less 50 cups of milk tea. Alright? May 3 shakers, 2 jiggers, 2. Kompleto po lahat yan. Meron ka na yung sealing machine. Alright? All in all, ang total value is 45,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, sa 99,900 mo, may initial worth of products ka na kagad na pwedeng ready na kagad i-serve, ibenta of 45,000 pesos. So you know what? For me, this is value for money, especially when we talk about franchise. Are you following? So baka marami dito mga hindi medyo familiar sa franchise. Usually, yan ang kaibahan with the EC and the OVI. Usually when you buy a package with EC, pag bumili ka ng package, ang kapalit na produktong laman dapat over the price that you have given. Sa franchise, doesn't work like that. In all of the franchise, when you pay the franchise, ang binabayaran mo is the proven concept. Are you following? So when you buy the business franchise, merong ample amount lang ng worth of products. Alam niyo po, sa ibang franchise business, if you try to research, when you pay 100,000, ang kapalit na lamang produkto, initial inventory, yung iba wala pang 20,000. Yung iba nasa 30 to 20,000 lang. Yung iba mag-PPO ka pa para makapagsimula ka. O yung talagang, yung proven concept at yung brand at pangalan lang ang binili mo for 100,000. But for us, in 39ers and Alpha East, for 99,900, almost half, are you following? Almost half, 45% of your money, kaibigan, automatic initial inventory mo na kagad. Okay ba yun? Eto pa, dinagdagan pa natin yung mga benefits. Bakit? Kasi kasama pa dyan yung Bibo Endorser Program. So yung 2,999 na endorser program, yung magbibili ng franchise, pwede na siya maglagay ng QR niya sa store. Pwede siya maglagay ng QR para pwede tumanggap ng GCash payment, pwede tumanggap ng mga Maya or whatsoever electronic money payment, automatic pwede tumanggap na. Plus, tandaan nyo, ang Bibo may kitaan yan. Tama ba? Pag yung mga loyal customers mo nag-download ng Bibo gamit ang referral ID mo, lahat ng future transactions nila, bayad ng bills or paload, may income pa yung franchisee. Ha? At the same time, sinamahan pa natin ng 1 million pesos worth of personal accident coverage for the owner. Yun yung 4,750 natin. Yun yung ating, as you know, sa OVI, ang tawag natin dito yung Platinum. So lumalabas, Alpha East Franchise Corporation is supplied by Insurance ni OVI and supplied by Technical Platform by TD360 at ang ating Bibo. Okay ba? So nakikita nyo na yung vision nito, and we are now creating an ecosystem. Are you following? We are creating an ecosystem within the Alliance in Motion Global Group of Companies. Pwede o pwede? Pwede. And of course, yung kasamang value kanina na sinabi ko, yung 45,000 plus itong 4,750 and 2,999, yung 99,800 mo, you get a total of 52,750 worth of initial product inventory, equipment, and total benefits. Sulit o sulit na sulit? Talaga naman, di ba? More than 50% sa kamakita ng franchise concept na ganyan. Yung iba, 20% na makukuha mo or 30% pagbayad mo ng franchise prangkisa mo, di ba? Ito malupit, may plus po ito. Bakit? For you to fully operate, we will also give you the average cost already. May average cost additional of 80,000 to 150,000. Bakit ito naka-range? Kasi it will depend to you. It's not going to be us anymore to do it for you. So, tutulungan ka namin, we will support you and guide you, pero it's going to be up to you yung average add-on cost. Para saan to? For the full store operations. Ano yun? Pwede gusto mong umupa, or baka may pwesto ka na, pwede ka rin umupa ng, usually in the experience of 39ers, mga nasa 6,000 to 8,000 pesos per month yung pwesto na mamaya bibigyan ni Sir Adrian yung minimums na pwesto for the express station. Ano ba? Siyempre yung renovations and some beautifications of your store that will be based on the required standards na ibibigay din naman ni Alpha East Franchise Corporation. So meron tayong ibibigay na standards. Mamaya, i-explain on the procedurals by VP Adrian. Okay ba yun? Yes! Wonderful. So again, ito po medyo nilakihan na namin from 80 to 150 pero it will really depend on you. Kasi in their experience, meron nga yung mga less than 80,000 nakapagsimula na. 99,900 plus less than 80,000 nakapagsimula. Alam mo bakit? Kasi may refrigerator na existing. May pwesto na existing. Pipinturahan na lang. Di ba? Hindi na sila uupa. Are you following? So kaya naka-range siya kasi it will really depend on you. So again, as distributors, promoters, and aggregators of Alpha East, we want to emphasize this. Kailangan klaro ang pagkaka-explain po nito sa mga client nyo and potential franchisee. Maliwanag ko ba yun? Para walang maling expectation. Again, in Alpha East Franchise Corporation, we don't believe on hype anymore. We believe in real business, long-term sustainable growth. Okay ba tayo doon? Yes! Okay, wonderful. So yan, so tandaan yan ha. So yan po yung ating express station. Pwede o pwede? Pwede! So more or less, Kung kailangan talagang umupa, magpa-beautify, gusto mo magandang store, mga nasa 200,000, meron ka ng express station. Ito matindi. Miko, paano naman babalik ang income ko dyan? Ito ang tanong ng mga franchisee. Average profit. Ito. Pag sinabing average, this is coming from an existing, mga stores natin ng 39ers. Like I said, may more or less 300 branches na po ang 39ers, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Bakit maganda yung ganito? Kasi as we start Alpha East, may case study na tayo, may data tayo pwedeng pag-aralan. Tama ba? So talagang sigurado. So maganda dito mga kaibigan, in average, coming from the existing data, meron tayong mga branch na kumikita po sa 39ers from the express station alone, kumikita o nagbibenta ng 100 cups of milk tea per day. So pag tinanggal natin yung paper cost, yung product cost, tinanggal natin lahat mga kaibigan, all in all, ang kita nasa 54,000 pesos in 1 month po ito. Are you following? So minus all the expenses like the lease, kung umuupa ka, di ba? If that's 8,000 per month or 6,000 per month, tubig kuryente, that's 3,000 per month. And then maybe yung salary mo, 1 to 2 people lang yan. Siyempre, kung shifting yan, kung talagang mahaba ang duty, pero ang isang express station can be run by 1 person. Pwede, no? So automatically, ang average return of investment coming from the existing, this is conservative already, from 7 to 9 months. So kasama na dyan yung 99,900 plus yung invest mo doon sa beautifications and renovation in 7 to 9 months, an average or conservative coming from our data, balik na yung ROI. Yung iba nga, mas mabilis pa. Are you following? Depending. Let me just give you some data. One of the strongest branch ng 39ers right now is selling not 100. Just imagine itong 100 is base computed on 7 to 9 months ROI, kasama po itong add-on value cost. Are you following? Meron tayong branch na magandang-maganda, strategically located, mga kaibigan, selling 700 cups per day. So just do the computation, do the math. Are you following? So ladies and gentlemen, yung ROI will really depend on the location, will really depend on the market, will really depend on you. But this is an average coming from the data. Pwede o pwede? Wonderful. Now, tingnan natin mabuti. Miko, mas gusto ko pang pabilisin yung ROI. Meron kaming sagot sa inyo. Kung ito, ROI mo sa pagbebenta pa lang ng milk tea, okay, sa negosyo mo pa lang, may ROI ka na. Return of investment. Siyempre, after 10 months, liquid na yan. Tuloy-tuloy na yung income and profit. Kung mamamanage lang na mabuti yung finances. Tama ba? We'll teach you that. Yung mga trainings tayo for that. Now, look at this. Para pabilisin pa ang ROI, meron tayong RIO. Para sa mas mabilis na ROI, pwede kang mag-RIO, Referral Income Opportunity. So, para mabilisin pa natin yung ROI na yan, pwede kang mag-refer. Pag nag-refer ka ng kapwa mo express station, this opportunity is open not only for Alpha East but all empowered consumers and OVI digital partners. Magkano ang direct referral? Pag nakapag-refer ka ng express station, 15,000 pesos. Ano pa? May kasamang 7 slots sa inyong DTC structure sa Innova. Ang maganda dito, hindi na po ito kailangan ng performance privilege lock para mabuksan. Ibig sabihin, pag-encode ng express station, nakabuka na po. Yung 7 structure. Ready na. Okay? Pwede. Okay, ano pa? May 3,600 binary points, okay? So may tatlong matching, May tatlong matching. Yung express station papalo ng 3 beses sa mga EC or OVI strong leg. Are you following? Etong mas good news. Pakisabi nga, good news. Ang good news, kapag sineryoso mo ang Alpha East at may express station ka sa left at may express station ka sa right, ang matching bonus hindi lang 3, magiging 6. Okay ba yan? Okay. So 6 matching bonus kapag Alpha East to Alpha East. Okay ba yan? Ayan. Siyempre kasi nagsisimula itong ating new company, kailangan tutukan natin mabuti yan. Ito matindi mga kaibigan. May stair-step UPP of 1.8 at ang pinaka-paborito ko, mamaya i-explain natin furthermore, yung unlimited overriding commission. Ibig sabihin, may marketing plan po tayo, mamaya i-explain pa natin further, na hanggat nakatayo, pag ikaw nag-refer ng express station, hanggat nakatayo yung express station na yan, nagbebenta ng milk tea si Sir Adrian, bumili sa akin ng express station. Bawat benta niya, ako na nag-refer. Pagka-promote ko sa kanya, doon din ako tatambay, doon ako bibili, automatic, may komisyong umaakit sa akin. Hanggat nakatayo yung store na yan. Pwede o pwede? Wonderful. So let's move on. Second way. Pakisabi nga, second way. Kung gusto mo ng mas malakihan, mas mabilisan na ikita, you go for the premium lounge. Ha? Mas mabilis na kita, mas malaking store, mas seryosohan to. Premium lounge, your ultimate milk tea experience. Kung kanina milk tea stop lang, ito experience ang binibenta natin dito. Talagang, Instagrammable experience. So ano to, mga kaibigan? Ito example niyan ng ating premium lounge. For how much? 699,900. Okay? Plus. Okay? It's a full store. Mamaya yung minimums again, i-explain ni Sir Adrian on the procedurals kung gaano kalaki yan. Kailangan may kasamang kitchen or whatever. Mamaya explain yan. So look at this. Ito po yung laman ng premium lounge natin. Initial inventory and equipment inclusion. So magkano total in all? So may sealing machine, kompleto lahat. So kung kanina 17 flavors lang sa express station and then i-reorder mo yung remaining na ibang flavors, dito sa premium lounge, kompleto mo makukuha yung 39 milk tea flavors. So meron ka lang agad 39 milk tea flavors na pwede mong i-benta. Ayan. So kung kanina 100 pieces lang ng cups, eto may 1,000 pieces ka na pwede mo agad ibenta. So it's a full-blown restaurant, alright? So yan. And makakaiba nito sa express station, kung express station can only share beverages, can only sell beverages, ang premium lounge, open siya na magbenta ka ng all beverages plus mga food and snacks natin. With all ingredients, kompleto na po, ituturo lang sa inyo, sa kitchen, pwede mo ilang. So, may food and snacks ka na, meron ka pang beverages. Mas marami kang ways of profit for the premium lounge. Okay ba yun? Sino yung mga gusto mag-premium lounge? Tasa kamay. Palakpakan natin yung mga ready na mag-premium lounge. Okay? So, eto. So, ang all in all, worth of initial product, again, value for money. 320,000 pieces. Imagine mo yan. Sa ibang negosyo na nasa 700,000 ang initial prangkisa for the franchise, yung iba nasa 100,000 lang to 125,000. We've researched a lot of different companies before we did this. Mayroon 125 to 150,000 lang yung kapalit na produkto. Yung iba nga much lesser pa. Tayo, mga kaibigan, almost 50% again ang nakuha mong initial inventory just for the 699,900 franchise fee. Okay ba yun? Palakpakan natin yung kaibigan, alright? And syempre, additional benefits, ganun din, may endorser program din, plus may 3 million na, hindi 1 million, 3 million worth of personal accident coverage for the owner. Halaga, 14,250. Tatlong platinum yan, di ba? Okay, so all in all, 337,250 worth of initial product, inventory, equipment, and total benefits for your 699,900 franchise. Eto na. Siyempre, may plus-plus. Bakit? Siyempre, for your average add-on cost, medyo mas malaki ang store, full restaurant, may kitchen, mamaya kukwento ni Sir Adrian yung mga kailangan ninyo, beautifications and renovation, based on the required standard layout na ibibigay natin for a premium lounge franchise. Gagastos ka ng more or less in the experience. Medyo ito, ginack up na namin, no? Kasi it's better for us as distributors to under-promise, no? And over-deliver than to over-promise and under-deliver. Are you getting it? Mamaya sabihin mo, 100,000 naman pagsimula na, tapos mamaya hindi pa pala. Mas magkakaroon ng buyer's remorse ng mga franchisee nyo. But with this kind of presentation, medyo naka-jack up siya from 250 to 350 depending on the store. Baka gusto nyo talagang malaking store, Instagrammable, may elevator, bahala siya sa buhay niya. Diba? Pero at least, importante, kung makatipid, diba? Kung after the 699,900, tapos may pwesto naman na. May restaurant na, may lugar na, di ba? Magbebenta na lang talaga, di ba? May refrigerator, may kitchen na, may commissary na. Wala nang problema, mas makaka-lesser, hindi mas maganda. Are you following? So kaya naka-average add-on cost siya. Okay ba yun? So ito liliwanagin natin for them to put up. So most of the business ganito, like McDonald's, Jollibee, ganun din. May prangkisa, and then yung mag-franchise ang bahala sa pwesto. Are you following? Kaya para alam ninyo. Okay ba yun? So ito po. Now, ito na. Tingnan natin. Magkano? Paano ang average gross sales? Again, this is coming from the data of the existing PL or premium lounges that we have in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. This is coming from the two premium lounge. Kanina kausap ko sila from Aklan and CDO, no? We have Aklan and CDO premium lounges. So more or less average, no? Average gross sales of 15,000 to 30,000 per day, milk tea and food. Are you following? So if you compute that in a monthly basis, so kayo na mag-compute yan times 30 days. So all in all, bawasan mo ng upa, bawasan mo ng ng sweldo and whatsoever. All in all, ROI based on existing premium lounge, nasa 8 to 9 months. Ayan. So it could go.
Oh, nawala.
Nawala. Yan. Hello?
Worth of finisher.
Nawala yung... Ayan, nauhaw yung mic, nauhaw. Gusto ng milk tea, okay? So, 8 to 9 months. So, all in all, mga kaibigan, pagdating pwedeng you can go further than that, depending, or you can go lesser than that, depending on your location. So, mabilis na ng ROI kasi marami ka namang ibebenta, maraming product lines, and syempre, full-blown restaurant siya. Are you following? So alam niyo naman sa food, talagang maganda ang ating ang profit margin natin dyan. So as you can see, 8 to 9 months, o the 10, 11 months, liquid, pumapasok yung profit as long as ma-manage na mabuti ang finances on the business. Okay o okay na okay? Again, para mabilisin ang ROI, meron tayong RIO. Ayan, okay? So, referral income opportunity para sa mas mabilis na ROI, mag-RIO. Okay? Ano daw yun? 100,000 direct referral bonus. So, pag meron kang na-close sa premium lounge, meron kang 100,000 pesos plus 31 slots on your DTC structure. Panalo. Ha? Plus, may matching 7 palo. Ha? Sa bawat premium lounge. Pag pumalo sa EC and OVI, pero ang matindi dyan, kapag alpha is sa left and alpha is sa right, papalo ang premium lounge ng 15. Ha? 15. Okay? 15 na palo. Alright? What? Napapapalo po si Sir Jun sa noon niya. Okay? 9,000 stair step and UPP points, and syempre, may unlimited overriding commission. Ayan. Eto na. Pag-usapan natin yung unlimited overriding commission. Let me show you para na makita nyo. So, pag franchise, sa lahat ng franchisee, meron tayong master list. Pakisabi nga, master list.
Master list.
Ng lahat ng supplies and inventory na i-reorder. Siyempre, may initial purchase ng inventory. Pag after few weeks, nakabenta ng milk tea, mauubos ba yung supply?
Yes.
Mauubos yung inventory?
Yes.
Magre-reorder ba ulit?
Yes.
So every time nagre-reorder siya, may master list tayo ng supplies and inventory. Ipapakita namin sa inyo yun, nandun yung mga pointing system. So bawat supply, tingnan mabuti ha, hindi nyo mabuti sa mga distributors. Bawat supply, may equivalent na franchise points. Yung franchise points na equivalent ng bawat supply. So yung straw, may franchise points. Yung cup, may franchise points. Yung ceiling lid, may franchise points. Yung boba, may naipit sa lalamunan ni Sir Adrian, may franchise points yun. Okay? Okay? Yung franchise points na convert to peso. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, you can earn unlimited overriding commission from all the operating express station and premium lounge within your organization. Basta nakatayo yan at nagbebenta ng milk tea yan, sunod-sunod ang kita nung nag-refer. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, doon na kayo tatambay, doon kayo magte-table talk, doon kayo magpe-present, doon kayo kakain. Are you following? Subukan nyo lahat ng 39 flavors, di ba? Every day, bawat may presentation, 39 flavors. Ayan, okay? Doon yung delivery yung mga guests ninyo. So, again, mga kaibigan, let me show you gaano ba kalalim sa grupo. Pakita mo din. Ulitin ko ha. Bawat straw, bawat supply, may equivalent franchise points. So, on the first level, kung ako, direct ko po si Sir Don Rich. For example, may-ari ng Express Station. Sa bawat order niya ng straw pack, bawat sako ng creamer, bawat sako ng bawat kilo ng fructose, okay? Kung gallons ba ng fructose yan, may equivalent franchise points. Yung franchise points na yun, 40% ng franchise points ang akin. Are you following? So yung equivalent franchise points ng fructose, may 40% ako kasi ako yung initial direct niya. Etong matindi, yung upline ko na wala nang kinalaman sa kanya,
Correct.
meron pang 15%. So from the second to the fifth level, pataas, okay, may 15% of the franchise points for a total of 100% franchise points. So talagang binigay yung 100% franchise points doon sa direct at sa mga mga uplines pataas. Okay ba yun? Okay, so tuloy-tuloy lang kita. So basta bawat straw, imagine mo na lang, ito na lang imagine niyo guys. Hindi na ako magko-compute kasi madugong computing yan. Pero imagine nyo lang, sa isang milk tea pa lang, ito, yung milk tea, ito gusto kong mami-milk tea kasi mas marami itong laman eh. Ha? Sa isang milk tea na lang, para mabuo tong milk tea na to, kailangan ng kailangan ng lid. Okay, kailangan ng cup. Okay, kailangan ng, ano itong mga itim na to?
Boba.
Mga pearls and boba. Para maging milk tea to, kailangan ng milk tea yan. Okay? Para maging milk tea yan, kailangan ng creamer yan. Kailangan ng fructose, kailangan ng flavors. Are you following? So just imagine, lahat ng sinabi ko, supplies po yun. Lahat ng supplies na yun may equivalent franchise points. At lahat ng franchise points na yun, kumikita ka hanggang nagbibenta ng milk tea. Yung story niyo. Unlimited overriding commission. Pwede o pwede? Exciting o sobrang exciting? Okay, so mga kaibigan, ladies and gentlemen, tapos na po ang part ko. And I believe with all of that, you're very excited. Sino dito excited nang simulan ang 39ers Alpha East Business? Alright, so this time, without further ado, mga kaibigan, to give you a glimpse of the procedurals, dahil excited na tayo, ready na tayo, paano namin ko? Gusto ko na, uusok na ilong ko, ha? Ready na ako magbenta ng milk tea sa lugar namin, o sa condo namin. Let us call on VP Adrian once again to give us the 7 steps of franchise package signing procedure.
Yes, palapanan Mr. Vico Imson! Sino sa inyo ang ready na magbukas ng tindahan? Ang tanong paano? Siyempre ready na kayo mag-offer ng business, tama? In fact, some of you may mga ready pay-in na. Totoo ba? Siyempre gusto natin for the long haul, maayos, ayaw natin ng buyer's remorse, di ba? Gusto natin tuloy-tuloy, pang matagalan, ayaw natin i-hype lang. That's why we have this procedure. Let me remind everyone, huwag kayong mag-alala because you'll have a copy of this. In fact, hindi lang ito, yung sinabi ni Sir Nico, all of those things will be given to you. Plus, yung i-explain ko, of course, we don't have the luxury of time today, pero during the training period, may explain po ito ng maayos, ng detalyado doon sa magpa-franchise. Kaya sabi mo sa katabi mo, kalma lang. Kasi baka mamaya, naku, yan lang, kailan sunod na training? Baka saan namin makukuha? So, relax ha, kasi pinag-isipan namin ang lahat ng itatanong yung bawat isa sa inyo. Pati yung nandun sa labas. Okay? So, relax lang, you'll have the copy. Kanina kinakalabit ako, PowerPoint. Wala pa nga PowerPoint na. So, lahat to. So, are you okay? Okay? So, para po mabilis, paano siyempre, kaya nyo na yung magpasali. So, to protect our business, meron tayong procedure. So, walang unahan, walang ganito, lahat maayos, mapagsilbihan ng maayos, wala tayong ma-hype, maloko, magkaroon ng buyer's remorse, gaya yung sinasabi ni Sir Miko, yung nagbigay ng pera, di ba? May mga ibang kasamahan na baka kunin lang yung pera, hindi ibayad, masisira yung business natin, tama?
Yes.
And we don't want that, tama?
Yes.
Gusto natin pang matagalan.
Yes.
In fact, baka yung iba sa inyo mismo gusto mag-franchise. Sino gusto mag-franchise dito? Huwag na natin offer sa labas. Eh dito pa lang, ang dami na, I'm sure, dun sa 3rd floor. Okay? So ready? Again, overview. Okay, I'll be quick. Dahil alam ko, ready, excited na kayo magtanong. We'll be opening up the floor for question and answers for about 3,000 questions only. And then after which, okay, so parang ready na tayo. So now, first step, may napapay-in. So we want you to follow this, to take note of this, especially kayong mga distributors. Huwag tayong mga hype. Sa ganda nung in-explain ni Sir Miko, sa ganda ng produkto ng 39ers, hindi nyo kailangan mag-hype. Dahil pag nakita pa lang yan, natikman pa lang, sasalit. Based sa history nila for the last 3 years, walang halos, dinemo yung product, walang humindi, lahat nag-franchise.
Wow.
Okay, so kaya hindi natin kailangan mag-hype. Okay, kailangan natin gawing maayos yung negosyo. Kaya ito, step 1, nagbayad, gusto nang sumali, tama? Gusto nang sumali sa business, tapos gusto mag-open ng franchise. Step 1 is, they need to go to the office. Initially, pakisabi, initially. Pansamantala. Kasi ngayon pa lang alam namin, gustong-gusto nyo na. Ba't dyan lang, paano dito? Ang visit muna, dito sa 7th floor. Okay, ay paano yung mga nasa ibang lugar? Okay? Initially, they have to visit the office dito po sa 7th floor. I will let you know later when will it start. For them to fill up the application form. Siyempre, pag nagpa-franchise ka, hindi mo, ako gusto ko yan. This is a legit business. So may fill upan po. So is that clear? Yes. Oh, hold your thoughts ha. Mamaya, baka mamaya, paano yung sa ganito? Merong question and answer, tsaka baka masagot po dun sa mga susunod kong slides. Now, so punta rito, showroom, initially dito, mamaya sabihin namin sa inyong mga susunod. Step 2, pag-fill up ng form, check natin yan. Step 2, may verification and confirmation from our end, partnership ng AFC, tsaka 39, AEFC, at 39ers, verification and confirmation doon sa lugar na gusto ng franchise, yung potential franchisee. Kasi hindi pwedeng tanggapin natin lahat, 10 pala kayo dito sa likod ng building. Ha? Pwede naman yun kung isa lang may-ari. Eh ako gusto ko 10. Eh bahala ka sa buhay mo, di ba? Pero naiintindihan niyo po? May verification. Again, let me reiterate this. This is a legit business. Ayaw natin ng madalian. This is a marathon. Hindi walang finish line to. Dire-diretso po ito. Nakuha niyo po? Okay, so, verification, confirmation from the AEFC's official personnel for your desired locations availability. Fill up, check. Okay. Step 3. Optional po ito. Merong magpa-franchise dahil natikman na nila yung 39ers. Tama? You don't need to let them taste the food. Gusto ko na yan, may business pa. Okay yan. Papaano sa mga ino-offeran nyo ng business, paano ko naman maibibenta yan kung hindi ko pa natitikman? So meron po tayong optional, one-time availment of drinks and food trial testing fee. Sa express station may 1,500, premium lounge 3,000 kasi they get to try the products. Saan? Sasabihin natin mamaya. Paano yung 1,500, 3,000 kung premium lounge ang gusto ko? Kasi talagang halos lahat ng products matitikman. Tama po ba, Miss Ai? Kasi kami ni Sir Nico talagang sumuko. So, gaano karami ba yung 1,500? Tingnan mo, oh. 3 buwan na yan. Sulit. Siyempre, they get to try. Para gawin, pwede pong sumukan. By schedule po ito, ayusin natin. Okay, mamaya malalaman yung schedule. Na paano kunyari, for whatever reason, ayaw. Non-refundable po ito. Kasi para silang nag-dine eh. Tinikman nila lahat, sinubukan yung products that we can offer. Are you following? Yes. Pero paano naman, kung nag-sign up, nagbayad na siya ng 1,500, kung express station, tama? 3,000 pag premium lounge, i-deduct na dun sa total. Sa total. Sa total. Okay, nakuha nyo? So parang 99,000 less 1,500 equals 100,000. Ha? Hanggang ba? Basta i-deduct. Is that understandable? Is that clear? Okay, next. Step 4. Ang dali lang, di ba? Bayaran! Gusto nating iwasan. Siyempre, nagustuhan na magbabayad. So again, alam ko hindi naman sa mga naririto at yung mga nanonood sa Zoom, kung saan man, walang manlolokong mga distributor sa atin. Wala, lahat na wala kay isa rito. To prevent yung ano nila, kukuha ng pera, para ma-direct lang. Nakuha niyo? So, may payment po, step 4, okay na siya. Gusto niya yun, ayaw niya yun, may payment, briefing, and signing of contract. Laman ng contract, karamihan po sa sinasabi ko. Yung mga tanong nyo, baka masagot po doon lahat. Is that clear? Yes. Again, this is for security reasons, protection of your business, pangmatagalan po ito. Hindi pwedeng sabihin ng ng mga disip, okay na, bayad ka na, ganito. Kasi hindi natin i-register. Ayaw po natin ng gano'n. Yes. Ha? Iba ang community natin, tama ba? Yes. Okay, step 5. Nagbayad. We will now schedule, okay, setup na ng tindahan. Pwede rin namang kasabay ng setup ng tindahan, training and demo to be scheduled. Nagbayad na, okay lang, dala na yung contract. Pag uwi niya, dala niya yung contract. And of course, yung kung nire-register nyo sila dapat, di ba, dun sa business natin, sa networking business. Sa DTC, to be exact. Ayan, so set up, tapos schedule training. Okay? Clear? Pwedeng sabay, pero meron akong sabihin mamaya mga peculiarities about these things. Pagkatapos po niyan, step 6, syempre, natayo na namin, gusto na namin mag-operate. Sasabihin po ni Alpha Ace, patingin nung itsura. Kasi baka mamaya sabi mo, tapos na to. Di ba? Kung ano ang nilagay nyo, di ba? Nasa ilalim yung kalan, yung kung ano. Ang itsura mo, hindi 39ers, mukhang 38ers. Hindi po pwede. So, check namin based on the standards na ibibigay din po sa inyo. Kung di man sa'yo, dun sa franchisee mo. Is that clear? Okay. Last, opening and full operations na. Pwede na? Clear? Again, yung lahat ng yan, makikita nyo sa actual orientation na babanggitin ko kung kailan at paano. So far, is this clear? Few points that you have to consider on these aspects. Number 1, sa training. Ayaw natin pag-franchise silang, bahala ka na sa buhay mo, kunin ko yung pera. We don't like that. We don't do like that. So gusto natin talaga, may train. So magkakaroon ng training schedule. Nag-franchise na siya, training date is at least 1 week before the opening. Clear? So, pinamaiksi o pinakamatagal, no? 1 week, kunyari March 1, ready na yung store mo, ready na yung mga staff mo, mag-open ka, at least 1 week before March 1, magte-training na po yung tao. Demo lahat, yan, parang ganyan, sige, o huwag mong galawin yung kunawa ko. O yan, si Sir Miko. Clear? Okay. Maximum of 3 attendees per training. For the meantime, pansamantala. Okay? Yung franchisee, kung gusto niya, may 2 siyang kasama dahil yung staff. Kung isa lang yung staff niya, that because it can be run by 1 staff, sasabihin naman yan, 2 sila at least. Clear? Hindi po pwedeng hindi po umattend yung franchisee o yung representative niya na mag-ooperate ng business. Okay? So dapat po. And then at least, ayan, franchisee, owner, representative, or isa or 2 staff. Next. Ang projection po namin based on our experience, kasi kami po mismo nag-OJT, nag-training, kaya nga tumaba si Sir Miko. Ayan, nung dati, wala naman yan. So, 4 to 5 hours, isang araw. Okay, kasama po dyan, tingnan yung mga peculiarities, nabi dyan required at least an hour before, kung may nakaschedule po, mamaya lalagay natin yung oras, an hour before, dapat nandun na kayo sa training site na sasabihin namin. For the meantime, saan? Yan, ha? Tapos before the scheduled training, otherwise, attendee will not be allowed to join the session. Kasi hindi po pwedeng malate. Kasi very detailed and extensive po yung training. Hindi pwedeng dumating ka, inuman na nung buba, nung hindi pwede yun. So dapat simula. Na-late ka, i-schedule po natin sa susunod. Okay, wala dapat mali. Wala naman nalilate sa atin, di ba? Yes. Wala, lagi kayong ahead of time eh, tama? Yes. Di ba, nagsimula na tayo. Now, no cancellation for the scheduled training. Just in case, nagpa-cancel po kayo ng scheduled training, i-check po sa schedule natin kung kailan yung next available training. Meron pong fee, may bayad na 6,000. Okay, kasi naka-schedule kayo na bigla mong sabihin ko yan ngayong bukas, hindi masyadong, for whatever reason, biglaan. And yung slot na yun, tinabi na po para sa inyo. Kasi hindi kayo pupunta, may damage. Nakuha niyo po? Eh, hindi lang naman yung food, yung mga tao, marami pong maapektuhan. So, 6,000. Kasama na rin dito, biglang, kunyari lang, nag-resign yung staff mo. Nag-resign, tapos may bago. Pag-uusapan natin, definitely may training fee. Kasi may retraining eh. Nakuha niyo po?
Yes.
Okay. Clear so far? Mabilis lang naman. Tapos, eto na. Available training schedules, as of today. Pansamantala. Ulitin ko para, bakit naman dyan lang? Pansamantala. Available training schedules, Monday to Friday, 1 to 5, and 6 to 10 p.m. Tapos nakalagay dyan, may vary, so pwede magpalit. Pero as per schedule, 5 times a week, 1 to 5, and then 6 to 10. Clear?
Yes.
Pansamantala. Pakisabi, pansamantala. Sabihin nyo kasi, gusto ko na magsimula. At least makapagsimula na tayo. And of course, on store setup minimums and locations and requirements, area requirements, gano'ng kalaki? Pag express station, at least 3 by 3 square meters.
Uy,
At least.
ang kwarto.
Huwag niyong palitan. Paano kung 2 by 3 lang? Hindi po pwede. 2 by 4, hindi nga pwede. Paano kung gusto kong mas malaki? Bahala ka, gaya nung sinabi sa amigo, gusto mo lagyan mo ng escalator, ng swimming pool, At least, pag sinabi, at least merong ganitong kalaki. 3 by 3, kaya namin sinetap to. Hindi ito yung itsura. More or less, ganyang kalaki. Nakuha niyo po? Ganyang kalapad, yan, ganyan. Are you following? Hindi po ganito. Kasi ito ginagamit natin pag event. Halimbawa, binyagan, kasal. Pwedeng dalhin to. Available din po ito. Di ba, halimbawa, may binyagan, nakapag-sponsor ka na may bumili sa'yo. So, ito lang ang dadalhin mo. Huwag mong dalhin yung buong tindahan yung 3 by 3. Malinaw? Oh, pwede, di ba?
Yes.
Clear. Paano naman pag premium lounge, 25 square meters or 5 by 5? Kasi nga, mayroon pong dining experience. Ang sinasabi ni Sir Miko, halimbawa, meron na kayong refrigerator, meron ng lugar, pero yung facade, yung look, yung aesthetics, hindi pwede kung anong gusto nyong kulay. Bibigay namin sa inyo yung guide. Now, ayun yun. Color palette, guide, store, design, and layout, manggagaling po sa atin, sa Alpha East, throughout 39ers, yung itsura, kulay, layout, ng 3 by 3 and 5 by 5 square meters. Malinaw po. O hindi, lahat yan, pati pantone, yung mga kulay. Kaya, kunyari, ganong ka brown, ganong ka white, ganong ka green, lahat po yan. Pwede ba light brown? Medyo malas ako sa brown eh. Hindi pwede. Pag yung green na ganyan, walang talo. May bibigay sa inyo, alam po yan ng artist ninyo, alam po yan ng bibila ng pintura. Yan yun. Tapos makikita natin. Yun. Clear?
Yes.
O para pag pumunta ka diba dito sa McDonald's na ganito, or sa Jollibee, yung pula, pareho yung pula nila. Di ba? Yan. Clear? So yan yun, layout. Galing po, may guide yung inyong franchisee. Hindi siya mag-iisip. Tapos, ito na. Ano yan, kahit saan ba pwede magtayo. Dikitak po siya. Meron pong minimum of 3 kilometers away from another 39ers store. So, kunyari may malakas doon, hindi mo pwedeng tabihan. Total, isang kumpanya naman tayo. Hindi po pwede yun. Sa iyo sa katabi, hindi pwede. Hindi po pwede, ha? Basta 3 kilometers. May makukulit, 2.5, hindi pwede, basta 3 kilometers. Kasi yung may makulit talaga, maniwala kayo. Talaga, sure, mga 2.7 na eh. 3 kilometers ka, kulit mo eh. So, clear? To be identified, of course, with the help of our partners, mag-check muna. Saan ako? Sa Lucena. Ayun. Saan yan? O, pwede pa doon. Bayan. Clear? Yes. Hindi tayo tanggap ng tanggap. Huwag kayong tanggap ng tanggap. Okay? Clear? Next. Allowable building and setup period. Hindi pwedeng, nagbayad na ako mga 5 years, tatayo ko yan. Hindi pwede. Sabi mo, hindi pwede. Oh. Pag-express station, upon signing of contract, dapat ma-operate mo yan within 60 days.
Yes.
Di ba kasi mamaya, kaaway mo lang pala yung gusto ka lang ipitin, di ba? So 60 days, pag premium lounge, 90 days. This is more than enough. Ito lang di ba? Kasi para makapag-operate ka na din. Bakit natin nilagyan ng ganito? Kasi baka mamaya, may nakapila dyan, tapos ayaw mo, sana kumikita na yung kumpanya, kumikita na yung 39 kasi pinigil mo. Nakuha niyo po? Just in case, whatever reason, hindi agad na itayo, meron pong extension fee of 10,000 for another 30 days.
Wow.
Kasi alam nyo, siyempre pinoproject po yan, ordering, lahat po yan. Pinoproject din na pag umorder ka, dapat o-order ka na para may mali nakita yung kumpanya, nakuha niyo po. Dahil hindi mo inoperate, it's a loss on the part of the company. Do you follow?
Yes.
Okay, clear. And of course, availment of uniforms, meron po tayong uniform, ayan, apron, t-shirt, at saka visors na standard. Yung pants kasi black lang naman. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-black na black o kaya black na may stripes, bahala kayo, basta black pa rin. Clear? So, again uniform, apron, t-shirt, yun lang, mas makita visors. Clear? Yes. So far, malinaw po? Yes. Okay, kasi papaliwanag naman lahat yan. Now, overview of the ordering procedure. Para magkaroon lang po kayo ng idea, pero again, di-discuss to. Kanino kayo o-order? Sa AFC. Sasabihin namin kung paano, kung saan. Order kayo sa amin, naubusan ka na ng stocks, syempre, pagbayad ka muna. Bayad, pagbayad, i-confirm. Pag-confirm po, pwede nang actual pick up or i-deliver na po sa inyo. Clear? Yes. Malinaw? Order, bayad, confirm, pick up through Lalamove o kung anong whatever courier na kailangan nyo. Saan kukunin? Bibigay namin. Sa Cavite, di ba? Yung natin. So, malinaw po ba to? Yes. Again, di-discuss to dun in details pag dun sa actual training. Meron pong 24 hours processing time. Matagal na po yung 24 hours. Umorder ka ng 9 o'clock a.m. ngayon hanggang 9 a.m. tomorrow. Siyempre, kailangan, we need to prepare. Pero, matagal na po yung 24 hours. Tapos, at least may minimum po na order na 3,000 pesos. Kasi ayaw din namin kayo, kami naman magbabayad, Adrian, bakit pa minimum? Kasi para hindi rin natin masayan yung pagbayad nyo dun sa fee, yung shipping fee. Ano orderin namin? Kung ano pong kailangan. Kung gusto niya, puro stroke. Bahala kayo. Basta 3,000. Puro boba, bahala kayo. Basta 3,000. Tapos, ordering cut-off time. Pag umorder po, Monday to Saturday, siguro maluwag na po yan. Halos isang araw na pahinga lang po yan, di ba? Tapos, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pwede kayo umorder as early as 10 a.m. hanggang 9 p.m. I-deliver at ang processing niya mga 24 hours, then you'll know kung pwede na po, available na. Clear? Yes. Dali lang. Oh! Okay. Now, sa marketing side, siyempre meron tayong local and national marketing. Yung local kayo, yung local, pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili yung promo dun sa community niyo. Tama ba? So may national tayo. In fact, yung jingle, narinig yung jingle? Yes. Ganda ba? Yes. Oo, parinig ka yung jingle. Uy! Tulog yung nag-jingle ata. Hindi naman. So, now, eto na. We are advising you to like our Facebook account. Yung AFC. O, pakilike nyo. Sige, picturean nyo na ngayon. Picturean nyo muna kasi dito manggagaling yung mga ibang informations na kailangan ninyo. Ayan. So, Facebook. Ayan na. www.facebook.com/Alpha East Francia. Hindi, Alpha East FC. Okay. Clear? Clear? Yes. Anong? Kailan ang application? No. Gusto nyo malaman? Yes. Kailan? Yes. Gusto nyo malaman? Ibig sabihin, kailan na magpipirma kasi hindi naman bahay application, mag-a-apply muna.
Yes.
Siyempre pag apply may letter of intent to franchise, kahit saan. Kailan magsisimula? Kailan nyo gusto? Kailan? May pera na kayo? Sir, kailangan ba may pera pa mag-a-apply? Siyempre. Application ha? Quote on me on this. Application begins February 23, Friday, starting tomorrow. Okay?
Yes.
1 p.m. Simula 1 p.m. pwede na po tayong mag-apply kung meron na po kayo mga franchisee. Clear? Okay. Mike, sasagutin namin yung mga iba yung tanong. Patapusin niyo muna to. Paano? Tama? Magkakagulo ba rito? Magtatakbuhan? We are encouraging you to scan. Paki-scan na po ito, yung QR code, kasi we will be sending you the details starting tomorrow, no? 1 p.m. Sir Migo. Pero paki-scan na po ito, yung community ng Alpha East, kasi nandyan na po manggagaling lahat ng information na kailangan nyo, pati yung mga kailangan yung PowerPoint everything, pati yung application form na kailangan nyo po. Kaya pwede nyo na po itong i-like, pumasok na po kayo dyan sa Viber community. Dahil starting tomorrow, 1 p.m., Friday na ba bukas?
Yes.
Pwede na pong simulan ang Alpha East Franchise Corporation Business. Pwede na, diba, sir?
Ready na.
Okay, now, clear? Kasi na-picture nyo muna. Actually, pwede lang i-scan to eh.